When I first got the news about Zane, I was very emotional because I've never heard of spina bifida. At the time, I just turned 19, and we've never heard of in utero fetal surgery at all. So when they brought it up, I had to have them really elaborate on it. And I was like, how is this possible? At first, it was super hard to accept, but with Hiroshi being so confident in his team and meeting everybody in UC Davis, that's what made me continue forward.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Dr. Hiroshi.
I'm Taylor.
Dr. Hiroshi, he answers every question. When he's with you, he is present. Found out I was pregnant. Surprise.
Twins.
Yeah. So we found out it was twins. I had a local doctor in Chico. He was fully aware of twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome. So after we had this specialized ultrasound, the doctor in Sacramento referred us to UC Davis Medical Center and Dr. Hiroshi's team at the Fetal Care and Treatment Center. I had a consult with Dr. Hiroshi, and he asked if he could admit me immediately. He knew that Quinn's twin sister probably wasn't going to make it through the surgery because she was so sick. And he was very gently clear with us, telling us that.
UC Davis and the Fetal Care Treatment Center really make the process so much easier to get through. Savannah and I came in and got an ultrasound, and at that time is when we found out that she has a heart tumor, and she also had really bad high drops. We were told it was probably about a 5% chance that she was going to make it, but that I did have options, that Dr. Sunderji was so compassionate and let me know that there's still hope and not to give up on that hope, and that's exactly what I did.
Raina had open heart surgery on her AV canal defect. Because of her heart defect, about half of those kids are born with Down syndrome. And Dr. Sunderji was so comforting in this moment. We're so grateful that we had her in our corner, and that it was her that was Raina's cardiologist, specifically. Because I don't know what I would have done, I think. It was so scary, but yeah.
If I were to talk to any other parents that got the news of the spina bifida, I would tell them to go to UC Davis and meet with my fetal team and just talk about your options. Zane now is a very energetic 3-year-old. You don't notice his delays. I love when he wakes me up. Most parents don't say they like their 3-year-old barging in their room, but I'm proud to say my kid can run into my room, open my doors, and jump in my bed and be like, "Hey, Mom, it's time to wake up."
Never give up hope. Things can be okay still. Savannah does still have heart problems. She's doing so great considering everything that she went through and is still going through.
I wouldn't trade the journey for anything. Raina is sassy, for sure. She's super funny, super fiery. She can't just sit still.
Quinn, you wouldn't know it to meet her that she had such a rough start and how close we were. I mean, everything happened when it was supposed to happen, and she's here because of it. This team absolutely has everything dialed in. Their patients are absolutely number one. I can't imagine any place else would do as good a job.
They're amazing.
Mm-hmm.
They're part of the family. They're the real deal. They're the real deal.